In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse on Canva. If you've ever accidentally changed a color, moved an element out of place, deleted something important, or messed up your layout while designing in Canva, don't worry. You do not need to start over. Canva makes it very easy to go back and fix recent changes, and once you know where the tools are, it becomes a very quick part of your workflow. To begin, open Canva and load the design you want to work on. From your Canva home screen, look through your recent projects and open the presentation, graphic, document, or video project you want to edit. Once it opens, click into the main canvas area so your workspace is active and ready to receive commands. This helps ensure you're making changes in the correct project and not somewhere else in the interface. The fastest way to reverse an action in Canva is by using the keyboard shortcut for undo. If you're using a Windows computer, press Control and Z at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command and Z. As soon as you do that, Canva will undo your last action. This is especially useful if you just typed the wrong text, applied the wrong style, or moved an object by mistake. It's one of the most important shortcuts to remember because it can save you a lot of time. If you prefer using your mouse instead of keyboard shortcuts, Canva also has an undo button built into the interface. Look toward the upper left area of the editor, near the top toolbar. You'll see a curved arrow pointing backward. Click that once, and Canva will reverse your most recent action. This gives you the same result as the keyboard shortcut, just through the on-screen controls. Now, if you undo something and realize you actually wanted to keep it, Canva also lets you move forward again using redo. Right next to the undo button, you should see a forward-pointing curved arrow. Click that to restore the action you just reversed. You can also use Control and Y on Windows or Command, Shift, and Z on Mac. This is helpful when you go back one step too far and want to recover that change without redoing it manually. If you're editing a video project, the process is slightly different. Go down to the timeline at the bottom of the screen and select the clip you want to adjust. Then check the upper left settings area for options such as flip or timing. Canva doesn't always offer a direct reverse playback tool for every video clip, but you can still adjust split sections or reorder clip timing to help recreate the effect you want. Before you finish, take a moment to review your layout. Check that your text and graphics are aligned properly using Canva's guidelines. Then go to Share, select Download, choose PNG if that suits your project, and download your updated design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.